Hello children, do you remember me? Yes, I'm your life skills trainer. How are you all? I hope you are fine in this pandemic situation. Myself, S. Chinari, working as English and life skills trainer at APSWRS Junior College, Narsapuram, Krishna district. Today, our topic is managing conflicts too. This is a life skills topic. Let us start today's class with warm up activity. So, this warm up activity improves your intelligence and your power. You'll get energy also. So, all of you settle down fast and close your eyes and listen to the story. It is a motivational story. Yeah, are you interested? Who is he? Yes, you're right. So he is Lord Gautam Buddha. The story name is Gautam Buddha and the Brahmin. Gautam Buddha was sitting under a banyan tree. One day, a furious Brahmin came to him and started abusing him. The Brahmin thought that Gautam Buddha would reciprocate in the same manner, but to his utter surprise, there was not the slightest change in the expression on Buddha's face. At last, man got tired and asked Buddha like this: I have been abusing you, insulting you, yet you are not angry at me. Buddha replied like this: It's because I haven't accepted. Buddha questioned the Brahmin like this: Suppose if you give a few coins to someone, if that person does not accept those coins, then with whom will those coins remain? Buddha said that you try to show your anger, but I haven't received your gift. Finally, the Brahmin understood his mistake and apologized to Buddha. Children, can you guess the moral of the story? Yes, you're right. That is, don't try to insult others. We can also learn another moral, that is, don't respond to what people say in anger. Inner calmness and peace are the ways to live a contented life. So, children, anger leads to the conflicts. Do you know the meaning of the conflict? I'll tell you. The conflict means it is a disagreement between two or more people. So, before going to the topic, we should understand the reasons for the conflict. Understanding is most important, and now we'll see the reasons for the conflicts. The first reason is misunderstanding. Yes, it is nothing but being misunderstood. Here we can see how our perceptions can lead to misunderstand. It finally leads to the conflict. It also means a failures to understand. Now we can see the second reason which leads you to the conflict. That is nothing but bullying. So bullying means intentionally causing suffering for someone else or often someone who cannot or won't defend themselves. It is nothing but seek to harm. So children, say no to bullying. The next reason which leads you to the conflict is selfishness. The name itself tells you that it is nothing but being selfish. It is also one of the main reasons which leads you to the conflict. So, don't be selfish. It is nothing but lack of consideration for others. So, stop being of selfish. The next reason is unhelpfulness. It is also one of the reasons which leads you to the conflicts. It is nothing but lack of sympathy. The next reason is secretive nature. So sometimes it is good to maintain the secrets, but not all the time. So children don't have this kind of a habit. So next we can see this is also one of the reason which leads you to the conflict, that is jealous. So jealous is also one of the reason which leads you to the conflict. Children, do you know this steals your joy and also your happiness. So children, now we can see the next reason, that is leadership issues. So leadership issues is also one of the reason which leads you to the conflicts. It includes a facing of many challenges. Last reason but not the least, that is nothing but irritation. This is also one of the reason which leads you to the conflict. So we should not show our irritation on others. Children, now we have come to the interesting part, that is nothing but assessment. Yes. Now I am going to ask you three questions. Now you are supposed to write answers for this. The first question is write your views on the conflict. The first question is write your views on the conflicts. The second question is what are the reasons for the conflicts? What are the reasons for your conflicts? The third question is how do you understand the conflict and overcome through it? So you have to write answers for this assessment. So apart from this, we have an activity. Are you interested? Yes. So now children, I am dividing into this is time for the activity. Now I am dividing the class into 6 groups. And each group is consisting of 5 students. We have 6 groups. Now I will give name to them. The first group name is Rose. This group should write 10 bad habits from your group. The group leader should take the initiation. The second group name is Vivekananda. So this group should write reasons for the conflicts. The third group is Jasmine. This group should write a small story on the conflicts. The fourth group name is Mahatma Gandhi. This group should write confused words from the motivational story. The next group name is Lotus. This group should write the 5 conflicts which they came across in the class. Next group name is Mother Teresa. So this group got a chance to show their creativity by drawing of a picture on the title. So the last group can create pictures related to the topic. And finally, the remaining 5 girls got a chance to write a role play on the conflicts. So the last 5 girls can write a role play on the conflicts. Hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you.